In the previous lecture, I have discussed about the frequency distribution and tabulation. Taking one example, in that example, I have selected 50 students for a test. This test might be any type of test: mathematics test, intelligence test, chemistry test, physics test, or all that. So in that test, I have got this ungrouped data, and we have discussed about the different steps making the table for frequency distribution. First is range, second is how the class interval is to be selected, thereafter total number of class intervals, how it is to be calculated, thereafter how the class interval is to be started, then tallies, and thereafter frequency. Now in this we have to prepare a table with this ungrouped data in which 50 students we have taken. So the maximum marks secured is 80 and minimum is secured is 30. So the starting class interval is 30 to 34, thereafter 35 to 39, thereafter 40 to 45, 45 to 49, thereafter 50 to 54, 55 to 59, 60 to 64, 65 to 69, 70 to 74, 75 to 79, 80 to 84. Now with this table we will make tallies. Let us start for first class interval, that is from 80 to 84. Now we will try how many students are lying between this class interval. So from this table I found only one candidate. So it will be better that cross this one. One is cross here, put, and one tally should be kept here. So between this class interval 80 to 84, only one student is lying. Thereafter the class interval is of 75 to 79. In this class interval, how many students? 75 to 79. There are 1, there are another 1, 2. Only the 2 students are lying between the class interval 75 to 79. So put 2 marks like this. These are known as tallies. The third class interval is from 70 to 74. That means the student who have secured 70 marks till 74. Okay. So let us calculate how many students. 1, 70, then 74, 2, 3, 3, and one more is this. These are the 4 students lying in this class interval. So put 4 tallies like this. Now the next class interval is 65 to 69. 65 to 69. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and one more is this, 5. So put 5 tallies. The method of putting 5 tallies like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth line, it is in the way slanted way. Okay, now the next class interval is from 60 to 64. Let us count 60 to 64. 1 2 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 4 5 and 6. So putting the tallies in the way 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. So this is the way we may put the tallies mark. टैली चिन्ह को इस तरह से हम लगा रहे हैं, ठीक है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्लास इंटरवल इज 55 to 59. 55 to 59. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So in this class interval, the 10 students are lying or existing in this class interval. Means we can say that 10 students have secured marks varying from 55 to 59. मतलब 10 बच्चों ने यहाँ पर मार्क्स 55 से ज़्यादा और 59 या 59 से कम पाए हैं. तो टैलीज को इस तरह से लगाएंगे 1 2 3 4 5th टैली 6 7 8 9 10 tallies. Now the next class interval, similarly we can operate in the same way 50 to 54 and putting cross in ungrouped data. 50 to 54, how many? 1 2 3 4 4 4 5 6 7. So there are 7 students. So put the tallies 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. For the class interval 45 to 49. 45 to 49. 45 is 1. 45 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 students. 1 2 3 4 5 and one more is 6 in this way. Then come to the class interval 40 to 44. मतलब वो बच्चे जिन्होंने 40 या 40 से ज्यादा लेकिन 44 या 44 से कम अंक प्राप्त किए हैं, उन बच्चों की संख्या को हम यहां पर टैली चिन्ह के माध्यम से रखेंगे. 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 students. 1 2 3 4. Now the next class interval is 35 to 39. 35 to 39. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. And the last class interval is 30 to 34. Now how many students are lying? 30 and 32. There are 2 students. 2 students means 1 2. Now why I am putting cross here? Because it will ultimately help that any marks is not left. Any marks is not left. That means here there are 50 students and there must be 50 tallies. Now the next step is how to tallies are to be converted into frequency. 1 tally means 1 frequency. 2 tally means 2 frequency. 4 tallies means 4 frequency. 5 means 5, thereafter 6 means 6, 10, there are 7 tallies, so 7 frequency, there is 6, so 6, there are 4 tallies, that means 4 frequency, so on 3 and 2. So number of tallies are equal to frequency. जितने यहां पर टैली है वही यहां पर बारंबारता हो जाएगी। अगर हमको इसको चेक करना है कि मेरा ये क्वेश्चन सही है कि नहीं, तो अब इस वाले उदाहरण में मेरे पास 50 बच्चे थे, उसके हिसाब से जो मैंने टैलीज लगाए वो 50 आए। बारंबारता को अगर हम जोड़ते हैं और उसका टोटल योग 50 आता है, इसका मतलब जो अनग्रुप्ड डेटा था उसमें से कोई भी बच्चा छूटा नहीं है। तो इसको जोड़ते हैं तो 2 1 3, 4 7 5 12, 6 18, 10 28, 7 35, 35 6 41, 4 45 और 5 50। इस तरह से ये मेरा जो उदाहरण था उसमें फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच कर रहा है। यही हमारे टोटल बच्चे थे, तो इसका मतलब ये जो टेबल बना है वो सही है। तो इस प्रकार ये अनग्रुप जो डेटा था उसको ग्रुप डेटा में हमने कन्वर्ट कर लिया है। यही कहलाता है टेबुलेशन, फ्रीक्वेंसीज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड टेबुलेशन। कैसे फ्रीक्वेंसी का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है और उसको हमको कैसे टेबल में कन्वर्ट करना है। ये वीडियो खत्म होती है, इसको सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए। थैंक यू।